Dragon Maths was developed at Seymour House to give children a really firm foundation in numeracy. This builds their confidence to master arithmetic at primary school, mathematics at secondary, and opens the door to the STEM subjects science, technology, engineering and maths. English-speaking nations perform less well in international maths league tables, and it is our language that is our disadvantage. While it might seem obvious to us now that we count in base 10 because we have 10 fingers, it was not so long ago that we regularly used base 12, which we can count on one hand. We have 3 small bones in each finger, and using our thumb to count the 3 rows of bones across our 4 fingers gives us 12. 12 months in a year, 12 daylight hours in a day, and 12 eggs in a dozen. Use the other hand to count 5 sets of 12 and we get 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. Our language has echoes of these earlier counting systems. For example, only switching to the teens from 13 onwards. As a result, we present numbers to young children as if they are a never-ending list of words, without explaining that we only ever need to manipulate the base numbers 0 to 9. Dragon Maths recognises the innate mathematical ability that we are all born with. Very young children respond to music because they naturally enjoy counting to the beat. Next, we provide a physical experience of counting, sorting, and using our dragon boards to build a mental model of base 10. The layout of the board helps children to recognise a pattern of 4 and a pattern of 2 and 3, which together make 5. There are only 9 spaces to place counters on, so when we add one more, they must move next door as a set of 10. Like reading a dice, the board helps children to subitize these patterns, that is to instantly see the number without counting. Recognizing the bonds between these numbers is the basis for very fast addition and subtraction in the future. We also adapt our language to complement the use of base 10, where 10, 11, 12 is expressed as a set of 10, 1 10 and 1, 1 10 and 2, and so on. Children will then have all the skills that they need to add or subtract any large number, far easier than with a number line. Many adults who have emigrated and spoken another language for decades still do mental arithmetic in their mother tongue, the language they spoke when they first learnt to count. So getting the language right at this stage can give a lifelong advantage. Finally, why did we call it Dragon Maths? It's because the Chinese and Welsh languages both support counting in base 10, and coincidentally, both cultures revere the dragon.